famous brand in 1 minute. Today, we are going to learn about Sony. In 1945, after World War II, engineer Masaru Ibuka opened a small radio repair shop in Tokyo. A year later, he partnered with Akio Morita, and together they founded Tokyo Sushin Kojo. They began their business by repairing radios and producing electric rice cookers. In 1950, they launched Japan's first tape recorder, the Type G. 5 years later, after securing a transistor license from Bell Labs, they released Japan's first transistor radio, the TR-55. Then, in 1957, Sony released the TR-63, the world's smallest pocket radio, whose portable design opened the US market to Japanese electronics. In 1958, the company rebranded as Sony, combining Sonus, Latin for sound, and Sonny, American slang for young boy. Sony kept innovating. From the Trinitron Color TV in 1968, which won an Emmy Award, to being the first Japanese company listed on the New York Stock Exchange in 1970. In 1979, Sony introduced the Walkman, the world's first portable cassette player. Later in 1982, Sony and Philips co-developed the compact disc and released the first commercial CD player. In the late 80s, Sony acquired CBS Records and renamed it as Sony Music Entertainment. A year later, Sony acquired Columbia Pictures and rebranded it as Sony Pictures Entertainment. In 1994, Sony entered gaming with the PlayStation, selling over 100 million units. The PlayStation 2, released in 2000, became the best-selling console ever, surpassing 160 million units sold. But in the 2000s, Sony faced major challenges. They lost the TV market to Samsung, the portable music player market to Apple's iPod, and the smartphone race to iPhone and Android. In 2012, under its One Sony restructuring plan, the company sold its VAIO PC business, cut costs, and focused on 3 core areas: gaming, image sensors, and entertainment. That pivot worked. Sony returned to profitability. Today, Sony is a global leader in technology and entertainment. In gaming, Sony leads with the PS5, a massive PSN community, and top-tier game studios. Sony Music is one of the world's top 3 record labels, representing many of today's biggest global artists. Sony Pictures is one of the 5 major Hollywood studios, owning key IPs like Spider-Man. In semiconductors, Sony is the world's largest CMOS image sensor manufacturer, powering most premium smartphones and cameras. From a small radio repair shop to a global force in gaming, music, movies, and semiconductors, Sony's story is one of bold innovation and constant reinvention.